Hi guys! Welcome to our MoneyExp YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will talk about Swagbucks review, how to earn money, so make sure to watch the full video. Swagbucks is the definition of easy money. It doesn't promise to bring in the big money, but it's easy to earn points on anything from watching videos to completing surveys. At the time of writing, Swagbucks have paid members over £462 million. They are rated excellent on Trustpilot with more than 28,000 reviewers. This review explains how Swagbucks works and how to maximize your time to make the most money, all from the comfort of your home. Start by creating a free account and you'll quickly be earning Swagbucks and rewards. What is Swagbucks and how does it work? Swagbucks is a portal that offers users reward points for doing simple tasks online. Things like searching the web, watching videos, and completing paid surveys. You'll be paid in Swagbucks points. You can redeem these for gift cards or cash. The gift cards they offer come from over 1,500 retailers, including Amazon, 𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐞𝐫𝐯𝐞𝐿, and Tesco. If you'd rather make extra money using Swagbucks, you can convert points straight into your PayPal account as cash. Or you can donate to charity if you're feeling generous. How much can you earn on Swagbucks? To give you an idea of what SB points are worth, a £5 Amazon gift card costs 849 SB, and you'll need 17,999 SB for £100 cash via PayPal. But they accumulate quicker than you might think. There are so many tasks and activities looped into Swagbucks, many of which you probably do already. Swagbucks often run sales on their rewards too. This means you'll need fewer SBs to redeem the vouchers. For example, £100 of PayPal credit has been on offer for 20% off the usual price. Make Swagbucks your default search engine. The easiest way to start earning is to switch your default search engine to Swagbucks rather than Google or Bing. You'll automatically start racking up points just for surfing the web like you normally do, but using their browser instead. You can expect to tot up around 10 SB to 20 SB points for every 10 to 20 searches. The final total will depend on the search queries. After some months of everyday searching, this can add up to a few £100. Complete surveys and polls. Time-rich but cash-poor? Filling out a few short surveys each day through Swagbucks can be a really nice little earner. They usually take between 3 and 20 minutes to complete. Depending on the survey, you'll earn around 40 SB to 100 SB. There's also a daily poll to complete, which literally takes 2 seconds and will earn you 1 extra SB. Download apps and games to your phone. You can earn a broad variety of points for downloading, installing, and opening certain apps on your phone, tablet, or computer. Although you'll sometimes get rewarded for simply installing the app, you'll usually have to complete some kind of action. Sometimes these opportunities will be available via one of Swagbucks' partners, all of whom are also legit. You'll still be paid in Swagbucks though. This can be several hundred SBs, if not more, depending on the offer. But as ever, we'd recommend sticking to the free apps at first. There's no point in paying to download or use an app just to earn Swagbucks, as you're likely to earn far less than you spend. Shop online and earn cashback. We wouldn't advise shopping online purely for the sake of getting more points. But if you're planning to buy something online, you can do it via the Swagbucks website and earn some points. It works in the same way as mainstream cashback sites. Receive easy SBs from online stores like Adidas, ASOS, and eBay. Before you part with your cash, do a quick search to find out if they're a participating Swagbuck earner. For example, at the time of writing, you could earn 2 SB per £1 spent at Expedia. As holidays tend to cost a lot of money, you could earn quite a few points to turn into rewards or cash later. Tell your friends. You can earn SB points while you sleep by getting your friends to sign up to Swagbucks with your referral code. Not only will you and your friend get 300 SB when they sign up, but you'll also earn 10% of your friend's SB earnings for as long as they're a member. This is a great way to earn points passively, and your friends will benefit too. Plus, you'll get another 100 SB if the person you refer adds the swag button to their laptop or desktop using your invite link. Watch out for swag codes. Download the Swag Button browser extension to receive notifications about new swag codes. Swag codes are code words or phrases that the company releases to create a bit of buzz around the site and get members back onto the homepage. The notifications you get from the browser extension will tell you where to go to find the code. You then input it into this swag code box in the sidebar on the left side of the page. Super easy instant SB points. Complete daily goals. At the top of the screen, you'll see a button marked Daily Bonus. Within here, there's a to-do list with a number of daily tasks for you complete. You'll accumulate points for each task you complete and get bonus points for crossing off everything on your list in a day. Activate the Swagbucks Daily Goal option button in the header, and the site will set you a target amount of SBs to aim for that day. If you manage to reach your goal, they'll stick some extra bonus points on top for you. Don't spend actual money on the deal of the day unless it's something you're genuinely interested in. The Swagbucks you'll get in return are worth a lot less than the cash you'll spend. Enter competitions. If you consider yourself lucky when it comes to entering competitions, enter yourself into Swagbucks regular limited time giveaways or swag stakes. Prizes can be anything from tech gadgets, like Apple products, to a bigger bundle of SBs. This is a bit of a gamble, as you need to actually spend SBs to enter into each competition. For example, you can enter a competition to win 50 SB, but it might cost you 2 SB to take part. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.